Welcome back. I'm First Alert meteorologist Jamie Ertel, and a lot of you are saying, man, we need the rain. True. And here's the next estimated rainfall totals for 48 hours. So that takes us into Saturday night. And I think we're going to get anywhere between a half an inch to about an inch and a half across the coastal empire and low country. Some may miss out completely. It's going to be scattered in nature, and that's all due to a cold front that's coming Friday that kind of slows down and pushes offshore by Sunday. Now we talk about the tropics, and we did talk about Tropical Storm Humberto off the top of the newscast. It's projected to become a hurricane tomorrow morning, a major storm through the weekend as it makes its way well east of the United States and west of Bermuda. That Cat 3 is major hurricane status with 125-mile-per-hour winds. And it's going to interact somehow with Invest 94L, a very disorganized tropical wave from Haiti spanning all the way out to Puerto Rico, and it's very lopsided indeed. But once it makes its way toward the Bahamas, it's going to pick up steam and start making its way northward. So right now, a lot of you are like, okay, well, maybe we'll get some good rain out of whatever 94L is. Honestly, I think we're going to get more rain from the cold front than the tropical system. I'll show you two different models, which are very similar, the GFS and the Euro. Monday night at 6 o'clock, making its way towards South Carolina along the coastline, with the bulk of the rain making its way into South Carolina, the upstate, and North Carolina Tuesday overnight into Tuesday. Now, it may kind of swing around with moisture on the back end of that, but not a big rainmaker for us. Then we go to the Euro, and it has more rain still for the Carolina coastline than, say, the low country into the coastal empire. And this has a landfalling storm somewhere between Charleston and Myrtle Beach into North Carolina. Some of the projected rainfall totals in North Carolina are up to 10 inches, and that's an early projection. But notice, not a lot of rainfall for us. So that's one of the things that we're watching as far as trying to give you an idea of how much rain and how much wind. That's just an estimate right now because, again, it is still not a formed storm. Our next weather maker is that cold front. It's making its way toward us. It'll slide through and spark off showers and storms tomorrow afternoon and evening. Fair and Fair First Alert Live radar dry now. We'll be dry to start our Friday as well. Some sunshine, clouds to the west. Temperatures in the low to middle 70s across the coastal empire and low country, reaching the mid to upper 80s for highs, so a skosh cooler, but it's still going to feel like 95 in the afternoon, and a 60 to 40% chance of scattered showers and storms. 8 a.m., let's start the clock here, mix of sun and clouds. We could have some earlier downpours by 1, but I think the main event is going to be near sunset and afterwards as rainfall kind of really ramps up Saturday overnight into Saturday. And I'm going to zoom out here and a little further out so we can see what it may be doing, 94L or future Imelda, as it makes its way kind of parallel to Florida and Georgia. And that's what it may look like Sunday night just off the coast of, let's say, Miami. Your First Alert forecast. We're still calling for a First Alert weather day for Monday and Tuesday, basically for the unknown. We want you to be prepared. We're always wanting you to be prepared during hurricane season, but you know, this weekend, tomorrow, check your kits. What's going on? You know, did you eat all your snacks already? 88 tomorrow, 83 Saturday. Definitely going to feel a difference in temperatures, and Sunday a little less rain chance. Again, just be prepared for Monday and Tuesday. Things will change, so stick with WTOC First Alert Weather Team for the very latest.